Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. In today's video I'm going to show you one of my favorite free tools that I use when creating custom cake toppers and any party decorations. It's a website called TextStudio and it's amazing. This free online text generator helps me create names, numbers and other custom text using fonts from popular cartoons, games and movies. For example, if I am making a doll surprise theme cake topper, I can create a name that looks like just the official LOL logo. Or if I am working on a Barbie party, I can also choose the same font. For me it's super useful and easy to use. Let me first show you a few examples of toppers I've made using this tool. And now I will share my screen and walk you through how I use the site. Once you are on textstudio.com, just type your theme. Let's try find Roblox theme. Then scroll down to find the font you like. Here we can see different styles. There are so many to choose from. I will select this one. Here we type our text. Then you can adjust size and style. Depends on your idea. Also you can change outline, shadows and background. I usually keep it with a transparent background, so I can use it in Cricut Design Space or Canva. After you finish your design, just click Generate and then download. That's it. You can now upload this image into your design software and use it for your custom project. Using this site really helps me save time and it makes my designs look even more professional and fun. I hope you find this tool helpful too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.